What's up, guys? We are back here with another Everything's Regular video, man. I want to thank everybody out there for tuning in today. You guys caught that video yesterday, and I don't even know what it was, but I know you guys tuned in yesterday, man, and I appreciate y'all tuning in, man. But we got a lot of stuff to catch up on, man, and I got a lot of stuff to bring you guys up to speed on, man. So with that being said, if you guys haven't already, man, please like, comment, and subscribe to the channel, man. Y'all know what time it is, man. It's about to go yay, man. We got a hell of a day, and it's time to show y'all something that I've been waiting to show y'all, man. So let's check it out, man. So first, we got our 2022 CVO Road Glide. Now we finally completed this thing off. We got the outer fairing on there. We got the front fender on there. We got the windshield on there. Everything that goes on that bike, we got it on there, locked in and ready, and ready to go. Meanwhile, when I was putting this thing together, I noticed I didn't have a seat for it, and I sold my freaking Street Glide. The Street Glide is out of here. I freaking sold that Street Glide with our CVO seat on there, so I didn't have a seat, so I had to go find a CVO seat. So we got another seat now. The only thing now is my clutches is not engaging like I needed to. So before the last CVO, I think we had a hydraulic clutch, and then this is like an actual clutch cable. So two different things. So I got to readjust this clutch so it can be snappy and get this thing going. Meanwhile, this bike is pretty much complete. The only thing I need to be putting on this bike is another screw right there in the front, on the front fender. Other than that, it is ready to go, minus the clutch adjustment. Meanwhile, man, we got a special delivery here. Special delivery, man. Special delivery, man. Y'all know what time it is. 2021 Snake Venom with the Big Daddies on the front, of course. Y'all see what time it is. I know y'all remember this bike, man. It's been a long time. So this bike has been was given away June 2023, so a little bit over a year and a half ago. And the guy who won it literally never rode the bike. He was like, "Hey man, when you sent the bike, you know, the battery was dead, so I literally never put a battery in it or nothing, or even rode the bike, or even started the bike for that much, man." So long story short, man, we just got this bike back, man. The winner actually sold it back to me. So if you guys got any Everything Regular specials out there, any Everything Regular bikes, and you guys want me to buy it back, just hit me up. You never know, I might be willing to buy it back. So with that being said, man, we got a 2021 here Snake Venom with the Big Daddy 131 on this joint, man. If you guys didn't know, we did build this motor. When we first got this bike, it was like water damage, or flood damage rather, and it didn't have like no motor on it. The motor was like completely like gone. So we got a motor on this thing. We got a 131. We got heads on this bike. We got exhaust on this bike. We got a whole lot of stuff just internally on the motor on this bike, man. So when the winner hit me up and was like, "Yo, you want a chance at buying it back?" It was like, no question, man. So scored this Big Daddy with the Big Daddy on the back, of course. Then, of course, we got the Fuel Moto exhaust. Like I said, we got the big Screaming Eagle Big Daddies right there. And this motor is a 131, man. So we not only got one race bike now, we got two race bikes. We got a 141, the 131, and then a 143, man. So you guys want to go fast, man. Y'all know what time it is. It is time to go up. Now, I would love to re-give this bike away, but I need y'all to show love on the website, man. I can't give nothing away if y'all don't show love on the website. And if we come down here, of course, she chain ganged up, man. Y'all know what time it is, man. It's time to cut up. I'm literally about to go get a battery for this bike and pop out and see what this thing feels like, because I have not rode this bike in over a year, man. So y'all stay tuned. Y'all stay locked in, man. We're going to try to get this thing fired up, because right now, I was trying to get this thing fired up. Let's see. We got power to it now. Let me see. We got power, 29,000 miles. Not enough power. This is a whole 131, so it's gonna need a whole lot of voltage and all the above, man. So I'm gonna just go cut my losses and go get a battery, which I really don't want to, but I ain't gonna lie, man, this thing will be that much easier to deal with, and it'll be that much easier to fire up, man. So let's get a battery in this joint and see what we can do. Meanwhile, like I said, dude has not rode this bike not one time since we freaking gave it to him, man. So it should be exactly how we left it. And then, look, dude, I sent the whole freaking fender, right? sent the whole fender, man. They took a picture of it. It was good before they got back. And when they arrived right now, literally, fender is whooped, man. So I need another snake venom front fender, man. And I'm so mad about it because this thing was literally complete, man. So need another snake venom front fender, and then we can get this thing completed off and see what we gonna do with it or which way we gonna go. Now, typically, I would love to switch out this rear fender, put a CVO style rear fender on this joint. It'll have the Cadillac lights on the side. It'll get rid of this single tail light right here, which is totally ugly. It'll give me the look I'm going for. Meanwhile, I'm not gonna lie to you, this thing will look so freaking nice, like a whole different freaking paint. Like literally, this snake venom is nice, but I ain't gonna lie, I think we can create something way better, man. So we'll see what we can do, and we'll see what we are gonna do. If we can get a quick sale on this, that'll be great. If we can do a quick giveaway, that'll be even better. But like I said, there's not enough traction on the site to really just lock in on a giveaway. But I would love to give you guys this built 131 on the Big Daddies, man. Ready to go. What y'all think? Let me know in the comments below. I'm about to go see if we can find a battery for this joint and try to get it fired up, man. And of course, we got a fresh, brand new battery, man. Let's see if this thing is gonna fire up like we need it to, man. I ain't gonna lie, this thing ain't been started in over a year and a half. So let's hope for the best here, man. We're gonna get this battery in here and get it situated. All right, man, we got our new battery in there. Let's see if we got the power we need, man. Let's see if we got the power we need, man. Come on. I need this thing to fire right up. Come on, man.
Totally forgot. I can smell it. It smells like corn up in this joint, man. Y'all see what's going on. 2021 with the O's and the I's. Big 131 on the front of this joint, man. It's up. It's up. Come on, baby. Let's go. E85 down. We got a check engine light. But like I said, the bike ain't been ran in over a year and a half. The gas is probably like really bad. We got to get some fresh E85 up in there. And we'll get it going. But she's sounding good, man. I'm going to let her run for a little minute.
Oh, I should have let her just run for a little minute.
Yeah, just got to let her run for a minute, man. It's been a whole year and a half. We're gonna see what we can do. All right, we had it running for a little minute. Let me see. Woo! Oh yeah, it's moving. Oh yeah, it's up. It's up, baby. Big 131 with the E85. It's smelling lovely. Now I don't know which one is gonna be faster now, y'all. I don't know which one is gonna be faster. I don't know if the Big Daddy right here is gonna be fast or this one gonna be fast. Because I know I built this one up to a 131 and I got all the supporting parts for it. So I don't know. I know I'm about to wipe this sucker down and we're gonna take this thing on a test ride, man, so y'all can come ride with us. But so far, so good. It does sound amazing. Y'all let me know what y'all think about it in the comments below, man. It's a movie. Let's do it up.
And of course, like I said, this thing is about to be on E, man. But when I say E, I mean E85, baby boy. E85. Come on. like that, guys, man, we got this thing back in the garage. I ain't gonna lie, that first ride was just insane. This bike is so freaking like a beast, bro. Like this 131 on this bike literally freaking runs so hard, bro. I am excited, like literally. I don't know which one is faster now. I don't know which one is faster, this bike or this bike. I really don't know which one is faster now. This one feels a whole lot better, like just feels so much better. Of course, that's a bigger engine on that one. Not really set up for the long rides, but it is in a way. You can go anywhere on that bike, but I'm not gonna lie, this 131 pretty much did it for me today. I'm not gonna lie to you, man. Welcome back home. Big Daddy 2021 131, man. If you guys want a shot at winning this thing, man, we gotta get some more traction. We gotta get some more traction on the website, but it can be yours, man. You never know. You never know, man. What y'all thinking about it? Let your boy know in the comments below. Thing is running pretty nice. I would love to freaking redo the paint and everything on it, but that's a whole lot of extra money I don't want to spend right now. So we'll see. Y'all let me know what y'all think about it in the comments below, man. Meanwhile, man, we actually did get something else in the mail, man. So I'm about to pull this out with you guys here and check it out. It looked like it's from my brother, High Octane. Remember when ride your own ride, keep the shiny side up, man. Y'all know what time it is. Let's see. This is actually from my dog, High Octane, man. Y'all see him always in the comments and stuff. My guy is a huge supporter, and this just did it. Let's see, man. Come on, everything's regular. The A2 way, man. Y'all know what time it is. It's time to go up, and this green matches this bike real nice. I ain't gonna lie. Yes, sir. Now we can find a nice place to put this joint. I'll probably either put it up there or on that side. I don't know just yet. We gonna see. We are gonna see. Gonna see, man. Y'all see what's going on. Everything's regular. Shout out my dog, High Octane, man. We got something else in this sucker. We got a Big Daddy look like. Oh, there we go. Golly, that thing is huge. Everything regular, man. Y'all see what time it is. So he said this is the one he originally got. It was supposed to have the apostrophe S, but I actually like this one. Everything's regular. This is the one he meant to send, but he was supposed to put it on here. At least that's what he told me, but I'm not gonna lie, I like them both. This thing is freaking sick. Oh, snaps. We got a message. Let's see what we got. A2, time to go. Yeah. Let's go, man. Keep up the good work, bro. You will be all right on God. Ain't gonna hold you. Keep going every day, bro. Don't let up. Chase them dreams to the fullest. Always remember, don't let your emotions run you. See the bigger picture in everything. Trust and celebrate your people's. Trust and celebrate your people. Celebrate in public, discipline in private. Don't buy into gossip. You'll be all right. Let's go, man. True supporters are down. True supporters are proud, my guy. Keep going up. I have faith. If it's regular, well, guess what? Everything's regular, man. Y'all know what time it is. Till next time, my brother, High Octane, man. Y'all know what time it is. Shout out my brother, man. You know what time it is. It's time to go. Yay. Remember when you ride, ride your own ride and keep the shiny side up, man. It is a movie. Shout out my brother, High Octane, man. This is like the first thing added to my garage right now, man. So I got to figure out where's the best place to put this, man. Make sure y'all tune into the next video to see the best place we should put this sign right here, man. Everything regular, man. Y'all see what's going on. Shout out my dog, man. It's a movie. And then I'm so mad, bro. Like literally had the whole freaking fender and everything good, ready to go. Same color. Now look at it. Man, thing is freaking tough. So now I got to find a whole new front fender for this joint, man. But other than that, man, she cleaned up nice. I'm about to pull it in the sun real quick, get some pictures so we can decide if we want to do a quick sale or do a giveaway to y'all, man. I ain't gonna lie, this 131 is insane. I would really honestly want to keep this bike. All right, guys, here we go. 2021 Big Daddy, the #1 on him. She is looking good, man. I ain't gonna lie to you. I'm so mad about the front fender, bro, but you know, no big deal. It does look good mean still. Does look good mean still. You got the ooze back there. Like I said, Big Daddy 131, the bike is incredibly fast. Incredibly fast, I swear to you. Incredibly fast. Let's see. You gotta hear this thing, man. If y'all like the first ride on this joint, man, let your boy know in the comments below. But so far,
so good, man. She checked out nice. I'm so excited to have this bike back. Let me know what y'all think about it in the comments below, man. It's about to be a movie, dog.